Hi, I'm Shawn Cole, online network marketer, online entrepreneur. And I'm here to tell you that you do not need to be perfect to win in network marketing and MLM. The winners take action and are moving forward no matter what their level of product or company knowledge is. The reason why is because in network marketing there are resources available that can handle that for you. Companies provide them to you to make it easier for you to share your product and opportunity from the very start. You don't have to make perfect presentations or do the perfect fake Facebook lives or videos. You just simply have to share your opportunity, just have small conversations with people you know and people that you don't know. Stuttering and uncomfortable conversations work. They do, trust me. Sure, over time, everything gets better. And if you work on it in practice, of course it gets better. But the ugly, rough, imperfect actions work just as well. They work just as well and they can make you money as well. They do, trust me. Perfection is not duplicatable. To win in network marketing and MLM, you have to have a system that is duplicatable. That's how you get to able to rank up and be able to train people to show them exactly what you do is having something that is duplicatable and what people can do. Being human and real is duplicatable because that's what everybody is. We're regular people. And real people, we're awkward, clumsy, we stutter, we make mistakes, and they also make money. Just something to think about. So get to the marketing good people, have fun while you're doing it, keep your energy up, and share your opportunity, people. You could possibly change somebody's life. Thank you. This is Shawn Cole Enterprises. If you like the content of this video, give me a like, subscribe, share, do what you like. Reach out to me, leave me a comment in the comment section below, and I'll be looking to hear from you.